All parties Hurriyat Conference leadership has said that the Kashmiris have time and again foiled the Indian conspiracies and they will never allow anti-Kashmir acts and allotting the lands to the non-Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders in their statement in Srinagar termed the Indian Election Commission's announcement to hold the assembly elections in occupied Kashmir as a drama aimed at misleading the international community. The leaders pointed out that the such exercise cannot replace a UN-promised plebiscite to determine the political future of the internationally recognized disputed territory. APHC leaders urged the Kashmiri people to forge greater unity among their ranks to thwart the conspiracies the Bharatiya Janata Party regime has been hatching against them every now and then. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, led by the senior jailed APHC leader Shabir Ahmad Shah, has expressed grave concern over the use of the black laws, seizing the properties, detention and continued cordon and search operations in occupied Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' legitimate struggle for self-determination. The party denounced the continued illegal detention of the Hurriyat leaders, human rights defenders, journalists and civil society activists languishing in different jails on the fake charges. Family of a special police officer identified as Muhammad Asif staged a protest demonstration in the Surankot area of the Poonch district against his killing under suspicious circumstances. The relative raised slogans against the killing and demanded justice.